Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn droppable in jQuery. This is a very simple technique. You have to learn and identify the div tag ID and calling the function of droppable. That's it. Let's say here the demonstration for this. Drag me to my target. This box is draggable. Now, see, by holding the mouse icon here, like holding, click the button of this box left side and right side box, it is showing the drop here. You take this and drop to this box. While traveling of this, see, it is a changing of his behavior. Like when I am clicking this, it is coming to the circles of the borders of blue color and it should be changed from orange to dark color. Now, if I placed here, it is moving around to like pink color. How the beauty it is. And if I leave it, it will be stay like this and moving around to some orange or yellow color. See how it is. If I drag out, drop down, drop here, drop down. Let's see here and dropping it is. It will ask you to drop here. If I placed here, it is I have a hole like leave it and I hold there itself within the box. And if I dragged out, see here, dropped out. How the beauty it is prepared. For this, assure that you will jumpstart to find these things. Like see here, draggable 3 and draggable 6. Two boxes have taken. Have you seen here? One and second boxes. First box is draggable only, but the box is dragged to me, my target box. This is only. And the second one is droppable, where we have to active and hover plus hover and the event UI. This and this stage we have to highlighting add class, finding p tag, and HTML, which is the text to be like populated like a dropped. These are the things we have to like by defaultly it will come. So you don't have to write any single line of code there. Like go to the like a jQuery UI, you will find all the lines of the code. Take a copy and put into your script and avail of the ready-made functionality by calling this options. How pretty it is simple. Have you seen? But you have to remember and identify these IDs only. Which ID you are calling. Where it may be the div you are having any custom IDs, you have to change the ID name. That's it. These all are like a styles. When it's the 3, it should be like this, and 6, it should be like this. When it's active, blue and gray. You can also make it is in a custom colors as well. I hope you are very simple and super excited about this. We'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.